Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
I'm Aya. Okay, so today, titignan natin yung reaction ni Aya while opening this parcel. This is my second purchase. Yung board book ni Aya. Okay, ang hirap niyang buksan, super packaging. Kailangan natin ng scissor. Aya, yan na. Wow! So, ito po yung binili natin para kay Aya. Aya, wow! This is your books. What are you going to say? Thank you! Ayan guys, ang ganda! Peppa Pig! Wow! Peppa Pig! Meron tayong If You're Happy and You Know It. Ano yung tumunog? Ay, ito pala. At saka, Aya, Bing's Noisy Day. Ha?
Thank you, Mama.
Hindi ito tumutunog.
Sabihin mo kaya, thank you, Mama.
Kailangan ng battery.
Thank you, Mama.
Yan, if you're happy. Wow! Ganda. Ito mo yung sa kanilang books mo. Dito. Oh, ito na si Nice. Ito na. Yung Peppa Pig. If You're Happy and You Know It. Board book siya lahat. Ang ganda. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye. Bye, kiss.